You will not be able to make money in 2025 unless you do this. Hey, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. And last year, 2024, I've made over $550,000. And it wasn't because I had the right program. It wasn't because I knew how to have an email list. It wasn't really because of automation. What really made the difference and what people tend to forget is that they need you. You need to show up authentically as you. And people just get stuck in the fact that they really don't even know how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to break down why that is the missing link for why if you are running a digital business or you're trying to make money online, I don't care what it is that you're promoting or selling, you need to be you. And I'm going to tell you how to show up to do that. I was trying in the online space for the last 5 years, and some things worked for me and some things did not. The things that ended up working for me, it didn't matter what I was selling. The fact is that you have to start with something that you actually believe in, whether it be a physical product, a digital product, or a program or course, something that you connect with authentically, because you need to believe in what that is. I tried a bunch of things and I wasn't 100% aligned with what that program had or offered. There was parts of it I liked, but parts of it that just rubbed me the wrong way. I couldn't seem to find something that I completely 100% aligned with. Now, I was still able to show up and make money from that product or program because I actually learned a skill set on how to use my superpower, which is me, right? How to create my superpower content strategy by leveraging who I was, authentically showing up on social media. That's what people want. We don't want the hype. We don't want all this blings and bells and whistles. We want real, because there's too much fakeness out there. So once you show up how to be real, your messaging will connect with viewers, will connect with your target audience, and they will relate to you. So that figuring that out tends to be a struggle for people. I've seen this, I've seen it over and over again in the online space. People get stuck on the selling or the details of what they're selling, the product, the program, all the details in that, versus what is the transformation that that is doing for you. So if you're doing like weight loss, what is it? How is it making you feel? How is it's energizing your body? What is it that it's giving you for the transformation? Not that it has collagen, peptides, all these vitamins and stuff. Like, that is important, but people don't really care about that. They care about what it's going to do to transform them, how it's affecting you personally for me as a 56-year-old grandma. How is it helping me to lose weight? Like, that kind of thing. People get stuck on the details. So let's break that down, how you can actually get out of that rut. So first off, you need to know and believe what you're promoting. Last year, in February, the end of February, I found a program that actually taught me all of digital marketing, how to help beginners to get moving online, that had support, technology, like training. It had tech support, because that was good for me. I'm not a techie. Things I tried in the past were missing pieces of that. So when I saw this, it was teaching me a skill set that I didn't even know, that I knew if I got in this and shared this with others, I'd feel 100% confident that it was the best program that I'd ever found that aligned with me. So I had to start first off with a program that aligned with me. If you want to check out that program right now, I'm happy to share. Just put "yes, I do" right here, and I will send you off that program so you can look at it for yourself. But once you find something that you really align with, then the next step is, yes, you need to have automation. Yes, you need to have automated emails and things, because that's what gives you your time back. And I love the fact that this program that I took did that. But if you cannot get people even into your emails or your automation, there's a gap. You have a wonderful product, you have your automations here, but you are the one that needs to bridge that gap. And that is where what I'm launching in a week or two is called our superpower content strategy. And I am so friggin' excited about this. I've partnered with a friend of mine who's another six-figure earner in the online space. Last year, she made six figures. I've made multiple six figures. And we've taken everything, little strategies, broken it down into bite-sized pieces to help people. I don't care what program or content or product you are trying to promote. This is the key missing piece that you need to make sure you get in: how to show up as you authentically. That is your superpower, is you creating content that actually converts. So you need to break down who you are. I call it the 5 W's, your who, what, where, when, why. Write that all down. List it all out. I don't care if it takes 4 pages. Like, look at Christy right here. She put it in, she did 4 pages. She put it into chat GPT like I showed her. She was about ready to cry because it actually gave her ideas on how to show up on social media authentically as herself. Now you take those ideas, you make them your own, of course. Show up because you are the person that people are relating to, but this is how to do it. Don't show up selling the product. You want to show up with the transformation of what it can do. So this is one of the key points, starting off with that. So I encourage you, write down your 5 W's. Then you need to emotionally connect those to an emotion. What is the emotion that brings? Because people are driven by emotion. Either, for me, fear of not having enough for retirement. That is why I started an online business. I also not wanting to work past 65, the fear of not having that income, the desire to want to spend more time with my family, my grandkids. Those are the emotional things that propelled me forward to wanting to work online. Other people have those same fear, desires, and challenges in their life like me. So that is why showing up authentically as you is so important, because people relate to people. That's what we relate to. We connect with human beings. Learning the strategy to show up authentically as you, I call that tapping into your superpower, because you are enough. You have what it takes to connect with other people. You are unique. Showing up online to create your own pieces of content that people get to know who you are, get to like what you're doing, and get to trust you because you're showing up online authentically as you. So if you go to my TikTok channel right now, you will see that I'm a grandma. You will see that I was short for retirement. You will see our family doing things. You will see my complete journey, because that is who I am. That's how I show up. But people get that disconnect of not being able to figure out how to be authentically them. And that's where this comes in. So if you want to jump in, I'll be happy to. It's going to be launched. Jump into the waiting list. I put it in the description below. Get on that waiting list. Just see what we have coming, because it's going to be less than $1 a day. And it's going to be something that's kind of a monthly type of coaching membership where we can really help you hone in on this message. And the reason I'm doing it monthly is because not that I don't want you to stay forever, but I really don't want you to stay forever. I want you to learn what you need to learn and then fly off and then have the success that you need. You don't need to keep paying monthly for something that you don't need to keep paying for. The whole idea is some people might take off in a month, some people might take 6 months, but it's not going to break the bank for you to jump in and learn, right? So there's also 3 different types of content that you need to create on social media. You need to create nurture content. And we're going to break all that down, what that is. It's showing up authentically. It's mostly storytelling and connecting with your viewers on the emotional level and sharing pieces of who you are so they can get to know you a little bit better. Then there's growth content. Growth content is simple, fun little ways that you show up. That's usually more of those short videos that just maybe how-tos, maybe things that people want to learn, just a little fun lip syncing video, things like that that really you need to sprinkle in there. And then there's, of course, converting content or sales content where you talk more heavily about your program and the transformation that it gives you. Have really a strong call to action for people. So those are really the three pieces of content you need to start creating. And we're going to show you exactly how you can take your uniqueness, your superpower content, and transform that into simple video structures online that connect with your ideal audience. So if that piece is missing, if you find you have your automation over here, you have you're trying to do a video here, but it's not connecting, there's something wrong with the video here. You are not implementing your superpower content strategy. So let's get you implementing that. Get on the wait list today. I want to help you create that superpower content that you need to be uniquely you, so you show up in the online space one of a kind, right? Every single person has their own unique story. We all have our own unique fingerprint. And that is how you need to show up. You've maybe heard this content, brand yourself, but what does that look like? This is going to show you exactly that, very bite-sized, actionable steps that you can take. You're going to love it. I can't wait. It's starting soon. So if you're watching this video and it's before we started, then you're going to see the superpower wait list. If you're watching this video after I've already started, you're going to see when you click that it's going to go directly to learn about it. So just learn. If you have questions about it, I'm always happy to answer, but you're going to see everything in the description below. Let's get you making your superpower content today. Now, if you haven't started, you have no clue how to earn online, I can help you with that too, because I believe the program that I have, based on my 5 years of experience, is the best way for beginners to get started. And when you do that, if you do that with me today, you're going to find the link below. You're going to get into this superpower content strategy for free. That's my gift to you for joining me in the online space. So let's get you making money in 2025. You want to learn more about the business that I'm doing? Happy to share. Go to this video right here. It'll give you all the details. You can also find it in the description below. I'm always happy to answer questions, but I look forward to seeing you and helping you in 2025 to start making money that can radically change your life.